guys, and welcome back to your not so regularly scheduled program, Days with Hayze. I'm Hayze, and I say not so regularly scheduled because I've been uploading on Wednesday and it is not Wednesday. Scandalous. But I'm here now, so you win some, you lose some. Thank you for clicking on this video. If this is your first time, go ahead and like and subscribe and, you know, watch my videos, catch up, let's be friends. Hit the notification bell so you can keep up on future videos. There's a couple things to address. First is that it's really hot and my mom will not let me turn on the AC, so if I'm sweating, that's why. Secondly, the window's open because it's hot. So if you hear the breeze, hopefully it's more so relaxing than annoying. Not my problem. Third, I got a new job, guys. I got a new job. Oh, nobody even understands the level of excitement I have. Such a blessing, and I'm so grateful. With that being said, because I have this new job, I need to be able to get ready quick in the morning. I don't have time to lollygags. We must take steps towards a glow up. By a glow up, I mean an eyebrow lamination. I got this kit off of Amazon. It is Ariana. You can look up brow lift kit, and I'm sure this is going to be one of the first ones to pop up. This is not my first time using this. I've used this multiple times. I have never gotten my eyebrows professionally laminated. I've only ever done it myself because it's so easy. I feel like so many beauty practices are cash grabs. I'm here to save a buck or two, so I'm gonna teach you guys precisely how I do that. After you open it up, you'll see there's spoolies, there's this eyebrow comb, and each step has a number on it, so it's super easy to follow. So it just goes 1, 2, 3, etc. And yeah, before you know it, you're on your way to freshly laminated, beautiful brows. So let's get my hair out of the way. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And just so you know, my eyebrows are completely clean. There's no product on them. I'm just going to take the brush that it came with and comb through my eyebrows. I'm just gonna go back and forth to really like loosen them up. Bam, shakalaka. God damn hot in here. Oh my gosh, I forgot to show you guys. So, preface, I used to be obsessed with One Direction, still am, and I am a big Harry Styles fan because of that. So my family gets me Harry Styles merch. Sometimes it's questionable, but this one's pretty cool. My aunt got me this like lanyard, so you know I'm gonna be sporting that at my new job. And then also these like super cute stickers. I have to get a Stanley to put those on apparently, because my friends told me corporate girlies use Stanleys, so I didn't know. I did not know. On to the fun part. First step is applying the glue. After you brush through your brows, you're just gonna get a really nice coat of glue on there. Then you'll just kind of let it sit there and get tacky for a minute. Let's do the other brow as well. Once you're done with that, I am not going to use the brush because I'm just using that for like combing and shaping the brow, but I'm going to use one of the spoolies that it came with instead, and I'm just going to comb my brows in the direction that I want it to go. So for me, this is like the angle, okay? Nose, iris, arch. So I know where the arch is. So for these brows, before the arch, I'm going to brush them up. And for the arch, I'm going to brush it out. And then once you have that base set of the glue, you're going to move on to the perm solution. So this is the part that is going to get rid of any of your hair texture so we can perm it into the shape that we desire. So what I do, I'm the only person that's going to be using this, so I double dip. People would probably say not to, but I don't care because I'm the only one using this. So I just dip it directly in, nice and coated. And then I'm going to apply it to the brow, thoroughly saturate the brow. Brush the eyebrows back and forward. Don't irritate the skin, just make sure that you're brushing enough to coat the brows. I'm just doing this very gently. And once I'm done with that eyebrow, I'll move on to the next one. Same thing. Once you feel that the brows are coated enough, you're gonna go ahead and clean up any excess because you don't want your skin to get irritated. You have to be careful with this stuff because I have used it before and I left excess on and then it gave me like chemical burns on my skin, so use with caution. It is a chemical. It is a chemical. I'm just gonna take the comb one more time, and since the perm solution has been sitting on there for a second, you should be able to kind of position the brows a little bit better. For my new job, one of the expectations is that I'm going to be traveling a lot. So next week I'm going to Scottsdale, Arizona for a business trip. I am a business girly. We're doing it. So once you do that, I just cut out any plastic. I'm not too particular with it. This was just a plastic bag. And then I'm just gonna place it on there. But this is where you have to be careful. Not with placing it on there, but how long you're going to keep the product on your eyebrows. If you have very thin hair, I would say 5 minutes maximum, don't do any longer. If you do it any longer than that, you risk breakage of your eyebrows and you might lose hairs. So be careful with that. This is so uncomfortable. I'm gonna let this sit and then I'll come back to you guys for the next step. Mine have been on for 8 minutes. We're just gonna take off the plastic and listen to the wind. So once you take the plastic off, go ahead and wipe off the perm solution. But look at that. Do you see how my brows just like, the shape goes so easily? Before it was so stubborn, that would not have happened. Get that ish off. The next step in the process is fixation. This is the part that matters the most. This determines how your eyebrows are going to be shaped. So make sure that before you put the plastic on, your brows are in the exact shape that you want them to be. The processing time for this one is the same, so 5 minutes for fine hair and 8 minutes for coarse hair. And I'm using a clean spoolie. I'm not using the same one that I used previously. This one's new. So, same process as the last step. Get all that product up on there. This kit was like $35 and you can use it multiple times. And every time you do it, the results last up to 8 weeks. So, girl. Up and out. So once I finish combing through the hairs and getting the shape that I want, I'll take the comb and just run it over the top like this, just so any stragglers lay flat. Once I have the final shape, I'll just use the same pieces that I used earlier, but I just use the opposite side. And then you'll just place that on like you did before, and then I'm going to set a timer for 8 minutes again. Once the brows are done setting, you're going to go ahead and remove the plastic. And like we did the first time, you're just going to clean off the brows and remove the product. Do you see that? It has like such good form. And then make sure you get the product off all the surrounding skin. You don't want to leave any residue because you don't want to cause skin irritation. So now that we've completed all of those steps, your eyebrows should be very easy to shape. So look at this. Do you see how my eyebrows are capable of standing straight up? They cannot do that if my eyebrows are not laminated because my hair is so stubborn. So it's so nice because now I can just brush it up and comb it out. And I have an amazing eyebrow. Once you finish your brows, just keep in mind you can't sweat, so no working out. You can't get them wet, so if you shower, avoid your eyebrows. And what else is there? no makeup for 24 hours. I'm gonna let these set and cure for 24 hours and then I'll see you guys again, and I'm going to put on some makeup and I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to put on eyebrow makeup when your eyebrows are laminated. It's so easy. I will see you guys in 24 hours. It's been 24 hours. I've gone ahead and already applied my base makeup, and now it's time to apply the eyebrow. I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to apply eyebrow makeup when the brows are laminated. I'm going to be using Benefit Brow Styler. I only use the crayon because the powder is too powdery. I'm also using this Crop Conditioning Vegan Eyebrow Pencil. Sweating a little bit. This morning I went ahead and trimmed my eyebrows, so I just combed them, and then any hairs that were too long I just snipped them off. First things first, I'm going to use this pencil because it's darker, so I like to use the darker colors towards the base. I'm going to comb it up, and this will add some color and definition to the brow. So now that I finished up with the first product, I'm going to use the Benefit Brow Styler to fill any gaps. And just do one last swipe. Here's the results of our DIY at-home brow lamination. I love how they came out. I think that I did a very good job at complementing my face. And that's today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, go ahead and hit like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Leave me some comments, maybe some video suggestions. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Love you. Bye!